In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use hashtags on Pinterest. Let's start right from the Pinterest home screen. Make sure you're logged into your Pinterest business account, then head to your business hub or your main home feed. This is the central place where you can see your analytics, ads, and all your publishing tools, so it's the best starting point whenever you're creating content. Once you're on your home feed, look for the Business Hub option in the top navigation. Go ahead and click on Business Hub. This will bring you into the dedicated workspace for your business activity on Pinterest. From here, you can easily access everything related to content creation and performance, which is exactly what we need. Next, find and click on Create Pin. This is the button that opens Pinterest's pin creation tool. When you click it, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can upload your image or video and add all the details that help your content get discovered. On this creation screen, you'll see an area that says something like choose a file or an option to drag and drop your media. You can either click that button and select a file from your computer or simply drag your image or video into that space. Give it a moment to upload and make sure the visual is clear, on brand, and relevant to the topic you're posting about. After your image or video is uploaded, it's time to fill out the rest of your pin details. Add a strong, clear title that tells people exactly what your pin is about. In the description box, write a natural, keyword-rich description that explains the value of your pin and what users can expect if they click through. Add your destination link so people can visit your website, blog post, product page, or landing page. Finally, choose the most relevant board so Pinterest understands the context of your content. Now, look for the tag topics or hashtag-related field within the description area. This is where hashtags come into play. On Pinterest, you want to use 1 to 3 highly relevant, specific hashtags at the end of your description. Think of phrases that closely match what your pin is actually about, rather than broad or spammy tags. Unlike some other platforms, hashtags on Pinterest are optional and less important than natural keywords in your title and description. So focus on your wording first, then add a few targeted hashtags in the correct format to help with topical discovery and searchability.